Morning, good afternoon, student. Today, now in this third video of this chapter, we discuss about exercise 12.3, and here we use some properties of parallel line and the angle made by parallel lines. So here, in which of the following is line L or transversal, and in which it is not, give reason. So for first one, it is not, L is not transversal because for transversal the first condition is that it must cut two or more line. Okay, so this one is not a transversal. So in second one, the L is transversal. Why? Because it cuts M and N at two different points. Here also L is a transversal. Why? Because it cuts M and N at two different points. But in this case L is not transversal. Why? Because it cuts M and N at the same point. So this is not a transversal. So in two cases, 2 and 3, it is a transversal, and two cases it is not. So I explain why it is not transversal. You write this one in your copy. Okay. Now number 2 you do it by yourself. Number 3 also you do it by yourself. I explain how to find question, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and 4. So it is here. We have this figure, and here we have to find angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first of all we have to find angle 1. So 60, 1 equals 60. Why? Because they are alternate exterior angle when we consider M and N are the line and L are the transversal. Then 3, 1 and 3, the sum of 1 and 3 are 180. So it is 60, 60 and 3 equals to 180, then it will be 120. When you subtract 60 from 180, you get 120. Now 4. So 4 is vertically opposite angle. This is 60. This is also 60. Otherwise, you can say this is corresponding angle. Angle 4 equals to 60. Why? They are corresponding angles. And 4 equals to 2. Why? Because they are corresponding angle. Okay. Or 60 equals to 2. Also you can write they are corresponding angle. So like this, you have to solve this question. 4 number you do it by yourself. Now from 5 number, I explain 5, 6, 8 number, and this side 12th number and 13 number. First of all, read 12 number, question number 5. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. If angle D equals to 115, find the other angle. The D is given to us, and AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. We have to find all the other angle. So you look here, I have solved here. So what is given to us, I have written, and one more thing is given to us, angle D equals to 115. So here what I consider AB is parallel to DC, so I give the symbol for parallel. AB is parallel to CD or DC, AB is parallel to DC, and AD the transversal here, AD. So angle A and D, the sum of angle A and D is 180. Why? Because interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. So when you solve, you get A equals to 65. Again, AB and DC, again we take parallel, but this time we take transversal as BC. So in this case, D plus C equals to 160. So we know the value of D, that is 115. We don't know value of 6, C 160. C equals to 180 minus 115. And in this case you get 5, 7 minus 1, 6. Again you get 65, I think. C also you get 65. So here when you get 65 as C, so again BD is parallel to DC. AD is parallel to BC, and in this case I take AB as a transversal. Okay, AB as a transversal, and AD and BC are the parallel lines. So in this case B and C, these two, okay, these two are the parallel. This is the transversal. Here look once again, these two are parallel, and we are taking these are the transversal. Okay, we already know the angle A, angle C. Now we are finding angle B. So for this case I am taking the sum of these two. This is the 180. Okay, so here AB, angle A plus angle B is 180. So angle B is not known to us. Angle A is 65, 180. So angle B is 180 minus 65, it is 105 degree. So for angle 1 is 115 degree. Angle B is one given to us. Angle C is equals to 65, and angle D is extremely sorry, this is 65. B is given to us, then angle C 65, then D is 150. Now C number. To read in the given figure, CE, this one is parallel to BA. Angle A is given to us 50, angle B is given to us 70. We can directly find these two because we have to find AC. We can directly find because they are alternate interior angles. So here whatever we given to us I have written. Then angle ABC, you can see, sorry, BAC, this one equals to ACE, this one. Why? Because alternate interior angles. So ACE equals to 50. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 6. Now we move ahead with question number 8. We have to find all the angles that are mentioned in the picture. So here it is, the solution. So when you see here, sorry, when you see here, this one, what is given to us? M is parallel to N is parallel to O, and L is a transversal. L is a transversal here. Now N is parallel to O. I am taking N is parallel to O, and L are the transversal. This L is a transversal. So what happened? 30 plus x minus z, z minus 80. These two are alternate interior angles, and interior angle, sum of interior angles. The safe side of transversal is 180. So that's why I have written it, and we have to find here from here z. Okay, so we can write like this. We remove the bracket, we get this one. So z equals to 180 minus 130, and this goes to become plus 80. So in next line, when you subtract these two, how much you get? 50 plus 80, I think that is correct. Now again when you add this two, you get 130. Okay, so z minus 80 is how much? 130 minus 80, that is 50. Now again x equals to 130. Why? You look, x equals to 130. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Now z minus 80 equals to y minus 80. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. So we know z minus 80 is how much? 50. So y equals to 80. So here y equals to 50 plus 80.